Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. We are the nurses in charge for this 311 shift, and I am nurse Shekinah, and nurse Arlene.
I'm CI Christian, and this is my student.
So, ma'am will be doing our rounds, and we'll be taking care of you and your baby. So, hello, ma'am. How are you po?
How
do you feel about today?
Every time I urinate, I feel pain and
Baby, where po?
here. I feel pain here and there's no milk coming from my breast. What I'm going to do?
So, ma'am, regards to your vaginal pain, that's normal because the anesthesia already knows its effect. And then, our student nurse will prepare a warm bath for you after this. Next.
Mga bata.
How I feel, ma'am?
Parang may loto.
It's not good. We should have to...
Kasi nag-post ito?
Ang post na
Sige, pag-release
Ako na lang.
tatlong na.
Oo.
Kailan mo ba ng script? O...
Ano yung gawin din?
Yan ba naman?
Very hesitant to urinate. Very hesitant.
Sige, i-play man.
Ma'am, are you hesitant to urinate?
Regarding,
Are you hesitant to
Han,
Ma'am, regarding your hesitance to urinate.
Ma'am, regarding to your hesitance to urinate, ma'am, do not be afraid that the stitches will open up. Regarding to your urinate, do not hesitate to urinate, ma'am. Your stitches won't open, ma'am, and if there's if there are any leaks, ma'am, try to use pads or diapers. Don't be shy using diapers. There are times that there is
Masyadong
okay for
mahaba.
adults, and